Please read the description for safety warnings before attempting this repair. The outdoor compressor for our air conditioning has been running non-stop for a few days. It has been hot, but since it's cooled off today and is still running, I thought I'd investigate. First, let's remove the cover so we can measure some electrical values. This unit has 4 screws holding the cover in place. I've removed the insulating barrettes covering the control signal wires coming from the thermostat. When the air conditioner is to be on, 24 volts should be present. But as you can see, we're getting no power on these control lines at all, and the compressor is definitely running. This is a very good indicator that the contactor is stuck in the closed position and needs to be replaced. These are inexpensive, running around $20, and since this one was getting old, I wanted to replace it anyway. Just be sure to get the correct type that matches your system. The way these work is they use the low control voltage supplied by the thermostat to energize a coil, which in turn closes the circuit that handles the much higher voltage and current required by the compressor and fan. The single pole of one side of the circuit is switched across here, while the other side of the circuit is passed through. The first step in replacing the contactor is to turn the power off to both the HVAC system and also to the air conditioner compressor. Next, it's very important to discharge the capacitor to avoid getting any shocks. Capacitors will retain a charge even when the system is turned off unless they've been discharged like this. Now it's safe to remove the old contactor, and in our case this only required removing 1 bolt. Now you can see the new contactor has been installed but hasn't been wired yet. Simply wire the new unit exactly the same way as the previous one, and check that all the connections look correct and well attached before applying power to the unit. If all looks good, turn the HVAC and compressor switches and breakers back on and set the AC to run at a cold setting to be sure it works. Voila! Air conditioner contactor replaced and working. The same approach can work for the opposite problem, where the compressor isn't coming on but the control voltage is present. This just means that the contactor is stuck in the open position instead of the closed position like ours was. Hopefully this video helped you solve your air conditioner problem and you'll give the video a like. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Every new subscriber really helps a lot. Thanks.